Guys, it's 3. What time is it? 3:30 a.m. And they came all the way to get me from the airport. So cute. I'm so happy. Surprise!
Yeah, so please, Jan, can I get it?
Oh my god. Yeah. Oh my god.
You ready?
Yes.
You guys ready?
Yeah! There's a lot of things, and it tells me this step might be just go with the flow. Just I know you want this, I know you want this, but this is for you. Do you understand? This is the best, and during the process is more than what I expected. It's the greatest. It's not the best, it is the greatest, because I have never seen any man. I don't know anybody, and the thing about me and my husband is not just about social media. When we are together, I'm so happy, I'm so relaxed, I'm so at peace, and I feel that with him as well. He's so at peace, we're so relaxed, we're like best friends, we're like friends, we support each other in every way, and I'm so grateful to God for finding this person. And I know, like, there's a lot of scary things about marriage, there's a lot of this, but I always tell him, I don't think I'll see us as, you know, being married, and we're friends. We are going on this journey together. This is not marriage. This is a forever and a lifetime. This is a journey that people will look forward to and say, wow, I can, if these people can achieve this, I can achieve this.
So, guys, Priscilla Ojo proposed again to her the second time, because that's what I heard. He said he's proposing the second time. You can see the ring. Singles no go ever bleed this year. Since 2024. They suffocate single Pringles here and there. So I think she's just making it a very minimal party stuff, because I saw Tony Abraham and Shoma Good Hair. She even had to come. Of course, Eniolua has been there since. I think this is part of the whole party thing. Should we be expecting wedding? I think obviously yes, we will be expecting wedding and all of that. So guys, can we even talk about this thing that Tuface is doing? Like, I'm confused. Did he just say he's proposing to the new girl? I thought maybe this process would have been done after you must have been divorced from your spouse. But from the look of things, I don't think Annie has actually divorced from him. He just filed divorce. So him engaging somebody, he can be sued for bigamy if he does anything beyond that. If you ask me legally, that's what I mean. But I don't know if he's just waiting so that the due process, maybe after the divorce, he can now marry the girl. This life, this life, we just have to value ourselves, no matter what. And looking at things, I think Annie is the one who loves the husband more, because she's always everywhere for this guy. So now, Tuface, on the other hand, from the look of things, without pity of the condition of your wife, somebody you claimed you love, you've wedded, you took oaths and vowed for, and moving on so fast and quick. There's more to these things, so because actions of some people can tell you a lot about the person without you even asking much. I don't know if you get what I mean. I really pray for Annie's quick recovery, and I just hope she can just move on from this whole situation, at least for once in her life. Move on and love herself for who she is, face her kids, pay this attention to her kids. As you can see now, Tuface has moved on. So she had to move on and pay attention, close attention to herself and her kids. And be positive. It's never the end of life. Do you understand? I can imagine someone you invested so much in. You invested your life, your body, your soul, everything. Just turn out within how many days to just make, like, I wouldn't say caricature, just pretended like he doesn't know you exist. Under how many days is heartbreaking. It's heart-wrenching. Let me use that word, because heartbreaking may not really explain how Annie is feeling at the moment. But guys, please, what do you think in this situation? Because I just got attracted to this video. And should I use attracted? Attracted there. The thing was just everywhere in my timeline. I just said, okay, let me see. Honestly speaking, that's not fair. That's not fair. If you know that what you can actually dish, you can't receive it, don't do it to your fellow human being. Internet does not forget. So one day now, this thing will just rise up like this, and you'll be shocked that people has been harboring this thing, keeping it for you for the right time to unleash it and remind you of what you did in the past. He would have done this thing behind cameras. He would have done this thing on a low key instead of exposing this thing to hurt this young lady that you've been with more. Even if you don't want her again, must it be on social media? Yeah, let it be that people are hearing it, but then it's on low key. And the young lady, I'm surprised that she just fall over Tuface. Is she aware of all the saga going on? I leave that to you guys. If you're new here, please kindly click the subscribe and notification button. Let us be friends. If you're an old subscriber, thank you so much for always stopping by. See you guys in my next video. Bye.